Are you looking to build the ultimate gaming setup but unsure which PC case to choose? The right PC case not only enhances the aesthetics of your build, but also plays a critical role in cooling, cable management, and overall performance. Today, we'll dive into the best Thermaltake PC cases designed specifically for gamers who want nothing less than perfection. Let's get started with our top picks. Number 1. Thermaltake Versa H17 Micro ATX Mini Tower Case. The Thermaltake Versa H17 Micro ATX Mini Tower Case is the ideal starting point for anyone looking to build a compact yet powerful gaming setup. Its minimalist design is sleek, featuring a brushed aluminum front panel that exudes a professional and understated vibe. Despite its small size, this case doesn't compromise on functionality. The A17 is designed for optimal airflow with a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, which ensures your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case's quality is evident in its robust steel construction, providing durability that ensures it can handle the rigors of regular use. Inside, the Versa H17 offers plenty of space for high-end components, including graphics cards up to 350mm in length and CPU coolers up to 155mm in height. The compact size doesn't limit your options for customization, with room for up to 3 additional fans or a 240mm radiator. Usability is a strong suit for the Versa H17. The tool-free drive bays make installation and upgrades a breeze, allowing you to quickly swap out components without any hassle. Cable management is made simple with strategically placed routing holes, keeping your build clean and tidy. Whether you're a first-time builder or an experienced gamer, the Thermaltake Versa H17 offers a versatile and reliable foundation for your gaming rig. Number 2. Thermaltake Core V21 Micro ATX Cube Gaming Case. Next up, the Thermaltake Core V21 Micro ATX Cube Gaming Case stands out with its unique hue design, making a conversation piece in any gaming setup. Its modular design allows for flexible configurations, giving you the freedom to arrange the internal components in a way that suits your specific needs. The Core V21's symmetrical design allows it to be positioned vertically or horizontally, adding to its versatility. The case is built with high-quality materials, featuring a durable steel frame that ensures long-lasting performance. The Core V21 is designed for optimal airflow, with a massive 200mm fan pre-installed at the front, along with support for multiple radiators and additional fans. This ensures that your components stay cool, even when running demanding games at high settings. The usability of the Core V21 is enhanced by its modular drive cages and tool-free design, making it easy to install and upgrade components. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a versatile media center, the Thermaltake Core V21 Micro ATX Cube Gaming Case provides the flexibility and performance you need. Number 3. Thermaltake Tower 500 E-ATX Mid-Tower Case. The Thermaltake Tower 500 E-ATX Mid-Tower Case is a game-changer for those looking to build a visually stunning and powerful gaming rig. Its vertical design is reminiscent of a skyscraper, making it a centerpiece in any room. The Tower 500 features tempered glass panels on 3 sides, providing a panoramic view of your components, perfect for showing off your build. The quality of this case is top-notch, with a sturdy steel frame and thick tempered glass that not only looks great, but also provides excellent durability. Inside, the Tower 500 offers a vast amount of space, capable of housing E-ATX motherboards, multiple graphics cards, and extensive cooling solutions. It's designed to support high-performance builds, with room for up to 200mm fans and radiators up to 360mm, ensuring that even the most powerful components stay cool. Usability is a key focus of the Tower 500, with a modular design that allows for easy installation and customization. The case features a unique vertical airflow design, pulling cool air in from the bottom and exhausting hot air from the top. This innovative design not only improves cooling efficiency but also minimizes dust buildup, keeping your components running smoothly for longer. Number 4. Thermaltake Core P3 Pro E-ATX Open Frame Case. For those who want to truly showcase their build, the Thermaltake Core P3 Pro E-ATX Open Frame Case is a perfect choice. This case is designed for enthusiasts who take pride in their builds, offering a panoramic view of the internal components with its open frame design. The Core P3 Pro is more than just a case. It's a statement piece that turns your gaming rig into a work of art. The build quality of the Core P3 Pro is exceptional, with a sturdy steel frame that provides a solid foundation for even the most demanding components. The open frame design allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The case supports a wide range of cooling options, including liquid cooling setups with radiators up to 420 mm, making it ideal for overclocking enthusiasts. Usability is also a strong point for the Core P3 Pro, with easy access to components and ample space for cable management. The case's modular design allows for tool-free installation, making it easy to build and maintain your system. If you're looking to create a truly unique and visually stunning gaming setup, the Thermaltake Core P3 Pro E-ATX open frame case is the perfect choice. Number 5. Thermaltake Tower 100 Turquoise Mini-ITX Case. If you're after a compact yet eye-catching case, the Thermaltake Tower 100 Turquoise Mini-ITX case is a standout option. This Mini-ITX case combines a small footprint with a bold design, featuring a vibrant turquoise color that adds a splash of personality to your gaming setup. The vertical design and tempered glass panels on 3 sides make the Tower 100 a perfect choice for showcasing your build in a compact form factor. The build quality of the Tower 100 is impressive, with a sturdy steel frame and thick tempered glass that provide both durability and a premium feel. Despite its small size, the case is designed for excellent airflow, with support for up to 2 120mm fans or 120mm radiator. The vertical airflow design ensures that cool air is drawn in from the bottom and expelled through the top, keeping your components running at optimal temperatures. Usability is enhanced by the Tower 100's tool-free design and ample cable management options, making it easy to build and maintain your system. If you're looking for a small yet powerful gaming case with a unique look, the Thermaltake Tower 100 Turquoise Mini-ITX case is a perfect choice. Number 6. Thermaltake Series 300 Matcha Green Mid-Tower Case. The Thermaltake Series 300 Matcha Green Mid-Tower Case brings a fresh and modern look to your gaming setup with its unique matcha green color. This mid-tower case combines style with functionality, offering a spacious interior that's perfect for high-performance gaming builds. The Series 300 is designed to stand out, making it an excellent choice for gamers who want a case that's as distinctive as it is capable. The build quality of the Series 300 is superb, with a durable steel frame that ensures long-lasting performance. The case features a tempered glass side panel that provides a clear view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build with pride. Durability is another key feature of the Series 300, with its solid construction ensuring that it can withstand the demands of high-performance gaming. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a stylish media center, the Thermaltake Series 300 Matcha Green Mid-Tower Case offers the perfect blend of form and function. Number 7. Thermaltake View 51 ARGB E-ATX Full Tower Case. Finally, we have the Thermaltake View 51 ARGB E-ATX Full Tower Case, a behemoth of a case designed for those who want to create the ultimate gaming setup. The View 51 combines stunning aesthetics with unparalleled performance, featuring dual-tempered glass panels and built-in ARGB lighting that allows you to customize your build with a vibrant light show. The build quality of the View 51 is exceptional, with a robust steel frame and thick tempered glass that provide both durability and a premium feel. The case is designed to accommodate the most demanding gaming setups, with support for E-ATX motherboards, multiple graphics cards, and extensive cooling solutions. The View 51 offers room for up to 3 360mm radiators, making it ideal for custom water cooling loops. And there you have it, the best Thermaltake PC cases for building the ultimate gaming setup. Each of these cases offers something unique, from compact designs to full tower behemoths, ensuring that there's a perfect match for every gamer. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, cooling performance, or flexibility, Thermaltake has you covered. Remember, choosing the right case is crucial for both the performance and longevity of your build. So take your time and pick the one that suits your needs. Happy building!